So think about this for a second. What if you could set up a highly profitable business for 2026, but with basically zero upfront money? Sounds a bit crazy, right? But today we're unpacking a blueprint that shows exactly how emerging AI is completely leveling the playing field for us. We're going to look at how artificial intelligence is fundamentally driving the marginal cost of labor all the way down to zero. That literally allows everyday entrepreneurs to punch way above their weight class and launch ventures that were flat out impossible just a few years ago.
You really have to ask yourself this one provocative question. What if AI just did most of the work? We're so conditioned to think that building a business means endless sleepless nights, managing sprawling teams, and dealing with massive overhead costs. But the source material we're looking at today challenges that whole perception entirely. It asks us to rethink the nuts and bolts of how a company actually operates when artificial intelligence steps in as your primary, infinitely scalable workforce.
The blueprint we're exploring today zeroes in on exactly 7 specific AI business ideas that anyone, yes, anyone, can start right now. We're going to walk through every single one of them, breaking down how they actually function and why they're uniquely powerful. But hey, definitely stick with me here, because while all 7 are incredible opportunities, achieving the absolute highest earning potential relies on one very specific, crucial factor, and I'm going to reveal that right at the end of this explainer.
Okay, let's dive into this. We've grouped these 7 disconnected ideas into 3 incredibly powerful business models. First up, high-value AI services. Second, scalable content empires. Third, zero inventory product sales. And finally, we'll wrap up with the ultimate success factor.
Number 1. High-value AI services, solving problems for businesses.
The whole philosophy behind this first model is honestly remarkably simple. You're just using AI to directly solve the daily, totally frustrating operational headaches that other companies deal with. Take our first idea, for example, an AI content agency. Look, businesses today desperately need constant social media content just to stay relevant. It is a never-ending pressure cooker for them. So by leveraging AI for incredible speed, you step in and fill that massive gap. You take over their daily content pipeline and charge a nice, steady monthly management fee for your trouble.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what tasks the AI handles. Instead of hiring a massive, expensive creative team, you just use AI tools to instantly create videos, design stunning graphics, and write super compelling captions. Because this is a daily necessity for companies, not just a one-and-done job, you're providing immense ongoing value. This lets you lock in highly predictable recurring monthly revenue, which, frankly, completely transforms the traditional agency model.
Moving on to our second service idea, we've got to talk about a number that literally keeps small business owners awake at night, 24/7. I mean, they all want to be there for their customers around the clock, right? But hiring human staff for true 24/7 coverage is incredibly expensive. And, well, humans actually need sleep and coffee breaks.
Which brings us to idea number 2, AI chatbot services. This perfectly satisfies that overwhelming 24/7 demand. By building AI chatbots, you're giving businesses a tireless tool that instantly answers customer questions and books appointments no matter the time of day or night. The AI never gets tired, never needs a break, and it guarantees that the business never misses a single chance to lock in a potential client. Just think about the difference here. Compare traditional admin to an AI automation agency, which is our third service idea. Traditional admin is completely bogged down by repetitive manual emails and painfully slow scheduling. It's a grind. An AI agency, on the other hand, acts like an absolute rocket ship for businesses. It automates rapid lead generation and fires off instant customer follow-ups. Companies are beyond willing to pay top dollar for this kind of massive upgrade in efficiency simply because it directly multiplies their sales.
Moving on to Section 2, Scalable Content Empires, Building Audiences with AI.
Let's move to and see how this builds into our fourth idea, faceless YouTube channels. So we're shifting gears away from B2B services now and focusing on building vast media audiences totally from scratch. The workflow here is basically like a digital assembly line. First, AI generates engaging scripts. Then AI voiceovers bring those words to life with mind-blowing realism. And finally, AI layers on all the necessary visuals. You basically become a massive content creator without ever having to step in front of a camera yourself.
Now, building these channels definitely works best in highly profitable, high-interest niches. Subjects like finance, history, motivation, sports, and tech are prime targets according to our source blueprint. And once your channel grows, the monetization path becomes incredibly clear. You leverage that specific, dedicated audience to generate real revenue through YouTube ads, brand sponsorships, and, of course, affiliate marketing.
And speaking of affiliate marketing, that actually brings us to our fifth standalone business idea, and it ties just flawlessly into these content empires. Affiliate marketing is simply earning a commission by recommending products or software through referral links on blogs, YouTube, or social media. Whether you're running a faceless channel or managing a tech blog, this model lets you generate income automatically. I'm talking about earning while you sleep, simply whenever someone clicks and buys through your shared links.
All right, Section 3, Zero Inventory Product Sales, Scale Without Storage. This third overarching model focuses entirely on selling repeatedly to a global market, but without ever touching a warehouse or even a single shipping box. Idea number 6 is running a print-on-demand store. It's so cool. You just use AI art generation to easily design beautiful, unique artwork for physical merch like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. When a customer orders online, a third-party manufacturer prints your design and ships it straight to them. So you're running this physical merchandise empire with absolutely zero storage overhead.
Now, when you compare physical print-on-demand to digital products, you realize they both share this incredible superpower, immense scalability with minimal upfront capital. Whether you sell just one single item or, say, 10,000 items, your operational effort barely even changes. The heavy lifting of fulfillment is entirely off your plate. It's either completely outsourced to a manufacturer, or in the case of digital files, the delivery is totally instant.
And that leads perfectly into digital products, which is our seventh and final specific business idea. Using AI, you can easily structure comprehensive ebooks, intricate planners, highly useful templates, or even robust online courses. The true magic here, it's the profit margins. You put the focused effort in to create these digital assets just one time, and then you can sell them an infinite number of times with essentially 100% profit margin. It's almost zero ongoing cost. Finally, Section 4, the ultimate success factor. Execution is everything. So, we've just covered 7 incredible AI business models. But the harsh reality, none of them matter at all without this final, absolute, crucial ingredient. So the crucial point is exactly what the Source Blueprint states. The best business isn't the one that sounds exciting. It's the one you actually start. Look, you can sit around brainstorming brilliant AI concepts all year long, but ideation is completely worthless without action.
So how do you guarantee you take the right action? Well, you follow this straightforward 3-step execution reality to unlock that highest earning potential we talked about at the very beginning. Step 1, choose one idea. Just one. Don't get distracted trying to juggle all 7. Step 2, stay consistently focused on it. And step 3, improve your output every single week. The highest earners out there, they simply follow this exact execution framework relentlessly.
We've explored an entire landscape of opportunity today, totally stripping away the heavy, traditional costs of business and replacing them with the boundless leverage of AI. So, I want to leave you with this provocative question. Which business would you start? Choose your path, stay consistent, and honestly, just take that crucial first step, because the tools are completely ready and 2026 is a lot closer than you think. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer today, and I'll catch you next time.